मैं कीचड़ में बैठ के मैं गफूर कर रही थी ये न्यूज़ अगर बाहर आएगी that the actresses demanded for Hershey's chocolate and I'll be banned. I will suffer the most on my next set.
She is a lot more happier than I would expect.
Again, और मेरा बहुत बड़ा बुबू हुआ.
So 1:32 a.m. she's calling me crying from the car.
Excuse me. आपको 5 साल बाद 10 साल बाद रियलाइज होता है that you know you're holding on to a lot of grudges.
The jail से break out करके वो क्यों इतना गुस्सा है, क्या हुआ? And why is he so angry with Saraswati? मतलब मैं और शनील as writers were like, हाँ.
Like saying.
So we shot a proper Hindi film and we shot a proper Telugu film.
But yeah, I love it. I used to love it.
तेलुगु में जो मिठास है ना, करके हिंदी वाला बोल रहा है मुझसे.
Ting ting ting. Yeah. Money.
On the count of 3, 2, 1, here we go. Action! This is Red FM. My name is Akriti, and with me right now two dacoits. जिनके ट्रेलर, जिनके एक तो पिक्चर का नाम is very bomb. Dacoit एक प्रेम कथा. उधर ही पता चल जाता है कि भाई यहाँ पे तो बम फटने वाले हैं. And it's going to be a crazy raw real madness to another level. And of course फिर ये दोनों स्क्रीन पे आते हैं, फिर ये मचाते हैं. And you just want to be a part of all that they are doing, and so crazy. Like for a second in the trailer, I really wanted to be in that car. When मृणाल ने अपनी हुडी की है, वो गाड़ी रेस की, which is so dangerous, but I want to be there. That's how it is.
Doom dum dum.
इनके जो एनर्जी देखी मुझे, मैं खुद हाइप हो रहा अपने
I
पिक्चर में.
know. I'm like, why do I don't even need coffee anymore. Akriti is on set. We are all set.
Yeah, the trailer is a bomb pataka. Like it's crazy. When I
Thank
say like, कर तो dangerous की चीजें रहे हो ना, but मैं कह रही हूँ मुझे उधर बैठना है. मेरे को भी I want to be a part of what you guys are doing wherever you're going, and it's just amazing. So congratulations on this killer trailer, Mrinal and Shesh. It's amazing.
Thank you,
And
Akriti.
There
Thank
is
you,
an
Akriti.
excitement. There is an excitement to watch.
Yes, this is all we wanted and this is all we live for. So thank you. But you know what? We must give her the experience of, you know.
See, since Laket is a bilingual, we shot it separately in Hindi and separately in Telugu. हम चाह रहे थे कि हम हिंदी वर्जन गाएंगे, आप
Telugu version गाएं.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So,
Yeah.
मल्ली मल्ली निन्ने
मल्ली मल्ली निन्ने
चुड़ाలని
चुरा लेनी
అంటున్నది మనసే
चुड़ा लेनी
అంటున్నది మనసే.
manase.
She's like धीमे धीमे दिल की
धीमे धीमे दिल की
ये कैसी धुन की लगी है.
Oh my god.
सारी लड़कियां तो मतलब
Oh my god, this is so right.
we accept this decade.
Totally, absolutely.
Totally, yeah.
Crazy. So tell me, मजा तो बहुत आया होगा. It must have been an adrenaline ride, like crazy.
Mad ride. In fact,
Action करने में बहुत मजा आया होगा.
मुझे एक्शन से ज़्यादा उस फिल्म सेट पे बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि एंजॉय मैंने बहुत किया क्योंकि हर दिन ऐसे नए इक्विपमेंट्स आते थे. कैमरा गियर्स हो,
आते थे, that means?
मतलब सपोज अगर मैं गाड़ी में हूँ,
हाँ.
ओके, आई एम इन द कार, आई एम इन अ सेडान. यहाँ पर मैं बैठी हूँ ड्राइविंग सीट पर, पैसेंजर सीट पर शेष बैठे, and all I see is there is this C-shaped trolley inside from this window coming from that window to, you know, मतलब वो पूरा ऐसा 180 degree cover होता था. So the moment we are moving, the camera is moving with us. So and I was like, what is this? मैंने डॉली लगते हुए देखा है, राउंड ट्रॉली लगते हुए देखा है.
मूविंग कार में
In a moving car.
कैमरा घूम रहा है.
There is a
moving
camera.
car, camera घूम रहा है.
There is a track in the camera. Like how do you expect? Like I felt like I was in some wonderland क्योंकि यहाँ पर कैमरा मूव हो रहा है, गाड़ी मूव हो रही है, we are acting. So to get that timing right, I really enjoyed it. In fact, I used to wait for a repeat. I was like, और मजा आएगा. It was an adrenaline rush adventure. I felt like I was in some adventure spa.
It also came from the director Shanil's insistence कि यार इस मूवी के जो stunts हैं असल में करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि यार पीछे ग्रीन मैट है, चलो ऐसे एक्टिंग किया मोटरसाइकिल को जंप कराने के, you know,
full
full on. तो इनसे एम्बुलेंस ड्रिफ्ट कराया
ड्रिफ्ट कराया, कीचड़ में रोल
my god
कीचड़
Oh my
में
God.
आई थिंक तमन्ना सॉन्ग हैड कम आउट दैट टाइम, गफूर,
Yeah.
और मैं कीचड़ में बैठ के मैं गफूर कहती थी. It is so funny because you know things you do for, however my team was so considerate. उन्होंने मेरे लिए पता नहीं कितनी रिक्वायरमेंट दी थी, Hershey's chocolate, cocoa powder and all. I said, guys,
मतलब she has to fall into the mud. तो पता नहीं हमारे आर्ट वाले थोड़ा ज्यादा ही मतलब मृणाल मैम से इतने प्यार करते हैं, उन्होंने बोला सिर्फ हर्शीज चॉकलेट लेके आएंगे, उनके चेहरे को कुछ और नहीं छुएगा. हम दोनों आए, पता चले सेट पे वहाँ पे 3 बकेट हर्शीज चॉकलेट.
and I was like, please, ये news अगर बाहर आएगी that the actresses demanded for Hershey's chocolate and I'll be banned. I said, please. I said, no, it's the love that we have for you. Plus, I was running on high fever that day. They're like, we wanted to make you feel comfortable. I said, excuse me, just put me in the mud, just maybe for the face, just we'll do some jugaad. And they did it, and it was so nice. I really enjoyed
It
it.
was also because she had 103 temperature.
oh my god
बारिश की सीन है, रायट हो रहा है, मतलब 400 एक्स्ट्रास भाग रहे इधर उधर, गाड़ियाँ चल रही हैं, मार्केट सीन है, गन्स आर फायरिंग, इनके बीच में शी हैज टू फॉल इनटू द मड एंड प्रॉपर और एकदम इमोशनल सीन में से ऊपर देखना है, और ऊपर से ये कांप रही है, 103 टेम्परेचर. इस टाइम हमें भी लगता है ना यार, अच्छा जितना कंफर्टेबल.
इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस भी हो रहा था.
See how much they pamper, and I was like, Supriya Garu is our producer. I said, Supriya Garu, what is this pampering? I mean, I will suffer the most on my next set.
Wow.
Imagine, they've set the benchmark so high. I think the camaraderie between the director, actors, the producers, I think it was so beautiful because they're all treating this film as their baby. And फिल्में तो बहुत बनती है, लेकिन ये एक बहुत ही स्पेशल बेबी है. Like it's a process. It's
फिल्में बहुत बनती है, डकैत एक ही बनती
girls. You can प्यार से call him Adi. Also, and girls are just gonna go like Adi, so विशेष.
है. So आप बताओ कि इसका मतलब क्या है, लोग
I can see, देखो ट्रेलर, मतलब ये तो इतने ट्रेलर्स देखने में पता चल जाता है कब नाम की केमिस्ट्री होती है, कब वाकई केमिस्ट्री, चाहे जितना भी उसमें स्पेशल इफेक्ट डाल लो या कुछ भी कर लो, अगर इक्वेशन है तो है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इन एन इंटेंस फिल्म लाइक दिस, विदाउट इक्वेशन एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. And I can see that right here also. So my question here is to Shesh, जब आप you knew Mrunal पहले से like you were
little
like
bit.
hanging out till.
Yeah, we'd hung out a couple of times at Swapna's house.
Yeah.
After
Hello
So tell me the first time when you met her, what you haven't told her this thing abhi tak, ठीक है? So tell her, what did you think of her and what was your first memories? What was she wearing when you first saw her?
But we were all dressed up ना, मैं सूट में था, ये भी वो
wearing a red, a
हाँ,
pink
like,
gown.
हाँ,
No,
one-
don't
And I
answer,
fell in.
Don't answer. He has to answer.
I remember thinking that she is a lot more happier than I would expect, because सीताराम में इतना रीगल वाला एक क्वीन वाला वो है ना, तो हमारे दिमाग में बैठ जाते कि ये बाहर भी शायद
Okay.
very regal.
Poised and-
हाँ, but बाहर तो एकदम sweet, like fun, and so that was I remember thinking that was at Swapna's house. We were at the party. तब मैंने सोचा.
That was your first,
First
you know, energy. Ki, okay, this is what. Mrunal, your first memory of what was he like? You know, that first shot.
Again, और मेरा बहुत बड़ा boo-boo हुआ. Because I called him Adivi, and I was like, no, he said my name is Shesh. Adivi is my last name, and I was like, okay. But also, I think before Sitaramam was when I had called you
Yes.
for Major. I remember.
But we had
after-
met then. We
met-
spoke on the phone.
We spoke on the phone.
जो बहुत ही बड़ा impression था, by the way. You tell
Which,
me.
yeah, I remember this was post-COVID. I was shooting Gumrah with Adi, Aditya Roy Kapoor,
Real Adi.
the real Adi. And after pack up, which I packed up around 10:30, and Major was screening Major was running in the theaters. So I'd seen the craze, and I was like, I have to watch this movie. So मैं 11 बजे 11:15 के शो में बल्कि बकायदा नेक्स्ट डे मेरा 6 बजे का कॉल टाइम था. आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड. माय सिस्टर एंड आई वी जस्ट वेंट फॉर द the 11:15 show, and something moved. Also, we could resonate because one of my friends' family father was, you know,
Yeah.
this too much to relate and resonate with. And I was so touched. I called him. It was around 1:30, 2 o'clock or something.
So
after the show
1:30,
got
2
over.
a.m. she's calling me crying from the car.
And I was so happy. I was like, bro, I really enjoyed the movie. I could resonate with the film. And it was just an appreciation call. I think as an artist, as an actor, you should not keep within yourself.
Never.
You should
I was just
always
about to say that.
Appreciate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very
And
I was quite surprised, and I think she's always had that generosity. आप देखोगे इनके Instagram को देखोगे तो she never misses a chance to wish her co-stars on their birthdays या उनकी जो फिल्में रिलीज हो रही हैं. You know, she never misses that chance to do that.
you know, there is whole journey like we've dedicated from the lightman to the spot dada to everyone. They've spent their lives like 149 days on this set. Let's not forget that journey, you know. Just want to celebrate films, just want to celebrate artists, technicians. I want to celebrate each and every small, minute, single detail, including promotions, because this is the only time we get to like people ask me, how do you like, you know, going for interviews and all. I said, I enjoy. I love
Thank you.
talking about the movie.
On behalf of everyone. Like,
Yeah,
thank you.
because if not this, then why do we even
Yeah, thank you.
exist? Like, you know, people want to know about the journey. People want to know about what happened. People want to know Saraswati किस टाइप की लड़की है, क्या कैरेक्टर है उसका, क्या कैरेक्टर ग्राफ है, क्यों वो करती है, क्यों डकैत बनती है. Have you ever heard a girl going, like a girl being a dacoit? No. But see, we all want to be one now after that. So I just want to appreciate movies. I want to appreciate the efforts. I want to appreciate the bonds, and I want to appreciate the filmmakers who give up on a lot of things to make piece of art that is cinema.
Cheers to that. Absolute cheers to that. No doubt about that. In my own little way as a talent, I mean, it's very easy for anybody to say, "I क्या बकवास कर रही है, बोलना आता है."
I love how she said
मैंने हाँ बहन आके बैठ के बोल के बता.
Yeah.
So yeah, you are on the other side. I am not doubting your intelligence, but give me that grace of being here too.
नहीं, वो तो हमेशा होता है ना.
so
मतलब
important.
बचपन में if we were watching cricket match और सचिन आउट हो जाते, यार सचिन को कवर ड्राइव मारना चाहिए था यार, क्या दिक्कत है, जैसे हमें बड़ा पता है बैटिंग.
Okay, in love, Shesh, for you, if something goes wrong, forgive and forget, never forgive, never forget. Which party are you in?
Sesh always forgives, never forgets. Hari doesn't forgive, doesn't forget.
Deadly है वो नहीं.
Hari is the character in the
Yeah,
film.
Hari is the character. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
हाँ, मतलब उसको सच पता चला.
I think रिलीज के बाद कुछ और आंसर होगा. आप मुझे बताना जब that you agree with me or not.
Mrinal, forgive, forget, never forgive, never forget.
Forgive and forget, yeah.
Who you? Like सीधे. Okay.
यार लाइफ है, मस्त जियो, हो गया जो हो गया. बट दोबारा मत करना किसी के साथ.
हाँ, see, that is the not forgetting, but इसलिए तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि forgive but don't forget, क्योंकि
नहीं,
यार
I'll tell you
फिर से
something.
भरोसा करो तो फिर से वही होता है.
नहीं
you know?
नहीं शेष,
Patterns
हर
don't
लोग
change.
अलग अलग होते हैं. You have to forget, because if you do not forget, then you carry those rage or that emotions की यार
The
मेरे साथ गलत,
toxicity.
the toxicity. But in a way you don't realize it until आपको 5 साल बाद 10 साल बाद realize होता है that you know you're holding on to a lot of grudges.
Actually, that's directly related to our two characters in the film.
Yeah.
क्योंकि there are two people who were together 13 years ago. 13 साल पहले क्या हुआ था, क्यों हुआ था, और 13 साल के बाद ये इतना गुस्सा क्यों है. और हमने टीजर में ऑलरेडी रिवील कर दिया कि वो जेल से ब्रेकआउट करता है. टीजर में ऑलरेडी रिवील कर दिया. सो जेल से ब्रेकआउट करके वो क्यों इतना गुस्सा है, क्या हुआ, एंड व्हाई इज ही सो एंग्री विद सरस्वती.
बहुत मजा आने वाला है. सोच के ही मजा आ रहा है. Like with that
और
entire
ये
thing.
सब के बीच में क्या वो एक दूसरे के साथ और साथ में मिल के डकैती कर रहे हैं या एक दूसरे के खिलाफ कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, yeah, that's something. That's a part. Okay, one part of the movie, both of you as a unit, tell me जो जिस पे आपको लगता है कि you know the audience will, of course they die a film, but there is always, I am guessing there is always a part that you think, oh my God, that's my heart and soul together, and audience are going to be like bonkers over it, like emotionally and.
For me, it's the interval scene.
Okay.
And it's directly related to her character. And I feel the interval belongs to Saraswati. and she surprises you. The character surprises you. And when I say character surprise, मैं performance वो सब तो बहुत अच्छा ही लगा, इसलिए तो हमने मृणाल मैम को रिक्वेस्ट किया कि ये फिल्म करें. But I mean to say the character herself surprises Hari in the interval. And that was quite a surprising scene because I realized जब हम मेरे दोस्त देख रहे थे एडिट को ऐसे ही जान पहचान वालों को दिखाते, घर वालों को दिखा देते हैं, they were like ऐसे देख रहे, they start getting like this. So that emotional reaction, and it's a surprise, it's a twist, that emotional reaction that came in for the interval of Dakat was quite satisfying. मतलब मैं और शनील as writers were like वो feel कर रहे. So
I was about to come to this part. As a writer, what were you mindful about? मतलब, and also ये film Telugu and Hindi, both parts. There is.
yeah, because Shanil,
It's not dubbed, na?
it's not because Shanil is a Hindi speaker और मैं तेलुगु speaker हूँ, तो हम चाहते थे कि हम दोनों के cultures को justice करें. So we shot a proper Hindi film and we shot a proper Telugu film. तो क्योंकि मृणाल, अनुराग सर और शनील तीनों हिंदी स्पीकर्स हैं, often we would shoot the Hindi take first. और उसको एक ट्रीटमेंट, एक अलग किस्म का एक there'll be a certain rhythm to it.
Okay.
और तेलुगु का रिदम अलग है, तो ट्रीटमेंट अलग है, कैरेक्टर की बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस अलग है. सो वी वुड ट्रीट बोथ ऑफ दोस डिफरेंटली. एंड ऑफन टाइम्स कंपटीशन भी हुआ करता था सेट पे.
I love it. I used to love it.
कि यू नो जैसे she said in a couple of interviews, the moment is Hindi take, कम वो शेर नहीं बन जाती थी, और जैसे तेलुगु टेक आता है चलो अब करते करके मैं बन जाता था. बट देन वी वुड ऑफन सी कि अनुराग सर एंड शी वुड बी समटाइम्स बेटर इन द तेलुगु टेक. बोलते देखो हिंदी का वार्म अप हो गया, तेलुगु डोमिनेट कर रहे, हिंदी अब फिर से करते हैं. सो इट वाज लाइक अ कंपटीशन बिटवीन बोथ द फिल्म्स कि कौन सी फिल्म बेहतर है. और अगर आप टच बडी गाना कभी नोटिस करोगे, देयर इज अ कंपटीशन बिटवीन द तेलुगु फैंस एंड द हिंदी फैंस. द तेलुगु पीपल आर लाइक आई लाइक द हिंदी वर्जन बेटर. एंड आई जस्ट मेट समबडी हु वाज लाइक नहीं सर, तेलुगु में जो मिठास है ना, करके हिंदी वाला बोल रहे हैं मुझसे.
Wow. So it's basic. That track is so different. Crazy Level Madness and Rubaru, it's so beautiful. It's beautiful. Fahim Abdullah's voice, oh my god.
Yes.
And both of you, oh.
I think
मतलब
imagine-
बताओ वहाँ से कहाँ लड़ने मड़ने कीचड़ में चले गए आप दोनों.
I swear.
Just a small something. When they say Kashmir to Kanyakumari, it's literally Kashmir to Kanyakumari because Fahim's from Kashmir, Chinmay is from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, actually, right.
There you go. There you go.
So pull everybody together.
Yeah.
One bit of, a dialogue or something, कुछ भी for our listeners and viewers. पहले हिंदी में और फिर तेलुगु में.
So there's a lovely line in the trailer.
Can I say action?
हाँ,
On the count of 3, 2, 1, here we go. Action!
जो कुछ भी उसने मेरे साथ किया, उसके साथ वही करूँगा.
Telugu lo మాట్లాడతా.
तेलुगु.
నా చిన్న తను ఏం చేసి ఉండదో అదే చేస్తా.
मेरे को तेलुगु में ज़्यादा मज़ा क्यों आया?
यही
समझ नहीं आया. क्यों आया?
because grass always appears greener on the other side.
Yeah, I don't know.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं बहुत सारे मेरे तेलुगु व्यूअर्स हैं, ऑडियंसेस हैं, वो कहते हैं सर तेलुगु रूबरू बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन जो फहीम ने हिंदी में गाया है. एंड अभी हम हिंदी डबिंग कर रहे थे, मोहित जो डबिंग इंजीनियर है हिंदी वर्जन का, जो मृणाल मैम को डबिंग कर रहा था, वो तेलुगु रूबरू है, मल्ली मल्ली, वो खुद हरियाणा से मल्ली मल्ली नींद गा रहा है. मैंने कहा भाई तुम्हें समझ में भी आती है? नहीं सर, पर उसमें जो सोल है ना.
नमक.
Viral, your turn. On the count of 3, 2, 1, go. Action!
हरी, मैं हूँ ना.
Telugu?
హరి, నేను ఉండాలి కదా.
I think there is something with Telugu.
Telugu है ना?
हाँ, कुछ तो है.
It is a sweet language.
There is a ting. There is something to it, I mean.
Ting. Yeah.
Your character chooses love or revenge?
Love because of revenge.
Mrunal.
No, revenge because of love, sorry.
Revenge because of love. Love. One emotion your character hides the most and the best?
Love.
Mrunal.
Anger.
If your character had a weakness, what is it?
सरस्वती.
Money.
देखा, इसमें यही है, चिल्ला मैं रहा हूँ ट्रेलर में, देखो.
Sorry.
ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि हरी का बहुत कटने वाला है? Okay. Your character loves deeply or fights harder?
Fights harder.
Both, I would assume. Both, yeah.
Both? In this story, is love a strength or a liability?
Liability.
Strength.
If your partner is in danger, save them or finish the mission.
Finish the
Mission.
Depends on the mission, na.
save them. Mission कभी खत्म नहीं होना.
Yeah, what if your kid's in danger, but your partner's in danger? Were you gonna save the kid or the partner?
No, save the partner.
Have
Finish
more kids.
Mission accomplished. Girls.
Okay, if love demands sacrifice, what's your limit?
Just add a NO. No
हाय
limit.
मृणाल कहाँ से आंसर आ रहे हैं?
बस आकृति.
Kidney तक, एक kidney.
एक किडनी तक है.
2 kidney तो हम फिर वो नहीं होगा ना काम.
There's no limit.
Okay, one rule of the dacoit world your character lives by.
Never give up.
Never back down.
Whoa. Fear or respect, what keeps people in line?
Fear.
Yeah, I used to think
Straight.
respect. I used to think
No, it's not
respect.
respect. It's fear.
It's fear.
Yeah.
That's fear. Especially in today's world.
Yes, I agree. One thing your character can never afford emotionally.
Forgiveness.
Again, interesting.
Wow. To be able to live, I don't know how to put that as an emotion. Fear.
Fear. Last, if your story has a punchline, what it would be?
मैं हूं ना. That's my punchline.
शायद नहीं रहेगी.
देखो.
Oh my God, so much fun talking to you. It was a delight. And, very rarely, barely, we always attend promotions and we do interviews. But over the period of time, with the little experience we have, we also figure out a lot of stuff. And I can clearly see that you guys were together in it, in this heist. You were
Yay.
together, like energetically, which means a lot. And both of you looked like a bomb, the craziest, hottest dacoits ever. So much so that we want to join the
हाइप
brigade.
हो रहा हूँ यार. आकृति जो है ना हाइप हो रहा हूँ मैं ये.
Release the film. Come on,
So
Akriti.
please go for it. Chuck their
Thank you.
fatte,
Chuck
let
the
the
fatte.
screen burn with all the passion and the madness the trailer has
What
got.
is Chak de Fatte in Telugu?
Yeah.
There's no translation for that.
Not translation, but something like that. Like we'll say, we'll go in Marathi. Faruntaka.
Yeah, it's something like that. Farun.
We can say a line from the movie.
Yeah, please.
Kummalante Kummali, fix.
Fix.
Perfect. Please go watch Dacoitic Prem Katha releasing on. Please give a shout out.
April 10th in a theatre near you.
Dacoit it is. 2 डकैती आ रहे हैं डाका डालने के लिए. So be ready.
आपके घर पे अगर आप थिएटर में नहीं होंगे तो.
Perfect. This is Ready for 93.5. That was me, Akriti. Bajate raho. Stay tuned.